Managing your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right budgeting strategies, you can take control of your money, reduce unnecessary expenses, and save up to $500 or more every month. Whether you're looking to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, or save for a big purchase, these 10 simple tips will set you on the right path. 1. Track your spending. Why it matters. The first step to saving money is understanding where it's going. Most people are unaware of how much they spend on small, everyday items that add up over time. How to do it? 1. Use apps. Tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard automatically categorize your expenses. 2. Manual tracking. Keep a journal or use a spreadsheet to log every purchase for at least 30 days. 3. Review regularly. Analyze your spending weekly to identify patterns and unnecessary expenses. Example: if you discover you're spending $100 a month on coffee, switching to homemade coffee could save you $80 right away. 2. Set clear financial goals. Why it matters. Saving money becomes easier when you have a clear purpose. Goals give you motivation and direction. How to do it? 1. Short-term goals. Save $500 in 3 months or reduce dining out expenses by 50%. 2. Long-term goals. Build a $10,000 emergency fund or save for a vacation. 3. Smart goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Example: I want to save $500 in the next 3 months by cutting down on discretionary spending by 25%. 3. Create a monthly budget. Why it matters. A budget is your financial roadmap, helping you allocate funds to essentials while cutting back on non-essentials. How to do it? 1. 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. 2. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar of your income a specific purpose until your balance is zero. 3. Budgeting apps. Use tools like EveryDollar or YNAB to simplify the process. Example: if your income is $3,000, allocate $1,500 to needs, rent, utilities, $900 to wants, entertainment, dining, and $600 to savings or debt. 4. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Why it matters. Many people pay for services they barely use, from streaming platforms to gym memberships. How to do it? 1. Audit your subscriptions. Review all recurring payments monthly. 2. Cancel unused services. Unsubscribe from platforms or memberships you no longer use. 3. Negotiate rates. Call providers to negotiate lower prices for internet, cable, or phone plans. Example: canceling 2 streaming services at $15 each saves $30 a month, or $360 a year. 5. Cook at home. Why it matters. Dining out and ordering takeout can eat away a significant portion of your income. How to do it? 1. Meal planning. Plan meals for the week to avoid impulsive dining. 2. Batch cooking. Prepare meals in bulk and freeze portions for busy days. 3. Stick to a grocery list. Avoid impulse purchases by shopping with a list. Example: if you spend $15 on lunch daily, switching to homemade meals could save $300 a month. 6. Adopt a no-spend challenge. Why it matters. A no-spend challenge can reset your spending habits and help you focus on saving. How to do it? 1. Set a time frame. Commit to no discretionary spending for a week, month, or longer. 2. Define rules. Only spend on necessities like rent, groceries, and utilities. 3. Track progress. Monitor how much you save during the challenge. Example: a 30-day no-spend challenge could help you save hundreds by cutting out non-essential purchases. 7. Shop smarter. Why it matters. Making thoughtful purchases can reduce costs without sacrificing quality. How to do it? 1. Use coupons and cashback apps. Apps like Honey, Rakuten, or Ibotta can save you money on purchases. 2. Buy generic. Opt for store brand products instead of name brands. 3. Wait for sales. Time major purchases around sales events like Black Friday or end-of-season clearances. Example: switching from branded groceries to generic options can reduce your grocery bill by up to 30%. 8. Automate your savings. Why it matters. Automating savings ensures you prioritize saving before spending. How to do it? 1. Direct deposit. Set up a portion of your paycheck to go directly into a savings account. 2. Roundup apps. Use apps like Acorns to round up purchases and save the difference. 3. Automatic transfers. Schedule monthly transfers to your savings account. Example: automatically transferring $125 each week to your savings account will help you save $500 a month. 9. Review your insurance policies. Why it matters. You might be overpaying for insurance or paying for unnecessary coverage. How to do it. 1. Compare rates. Shop around for better rates on car, home, or health insurance. 2. Increase deductibles. Higher deductibles can lower your monthly premiums. 3. Bundle policies. Combine auto and home insurance for discounts. Example: finding a policy that saves $50 a month adds up to $600 in annual savings. 10. Avoid impulse purchases. Why it matters. Impulse buying often leads to regret and unnecessary expenses. How to do it. 1. Follow the 30-day rule. Wait 30 days before making non-essential purchases. 2. Use cash. Pay with cash instead of cards to limit spending. 3. Unsubscribe from retail emails. Reduce temptation by unsubscribing from promotional emails. Example: skipping a $50 impulse purchase each week could save you $200 a month. Final thoughts: by implementing these 10 simple budgeting tips, you can easily save $500 or more every month. Start by tracking your spending and setting realistic financial goals. From cooking at home to automating your savings, every small step adds up to significant financial progress. Not only will you build better money habits, but you'll also gain peace of mind knowing you're in control of your finances. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Stick to these strategies, and you'll see results in no time. Happy saving!